So we have our failed transmitter, which we're going to use to change over. The first thing we need to do is find the ID code number off the back. So we're going to need to remove the top cover, which we do by pulling vigorously. And then we see the ID code number on the back of the transmitter. With that number, we can go over into our new transmitter and we can program it. Press and hold the 8 button, release the E-stop, release the 8 button, the light will flash and we can put in the password 1234. Now we're ready to hit the 3 button, and at this point we can put the ID code in, which is 384473. 384447, and on the last one we're going to press and hold 3 and then depress the E-stop. We'll see the lights flash on the receiver indicating that the replacement has been successful.